Welcome. In this video, we'll walk you through the simple steps to turn on your active status on Facebook using your PC. Let's get started. First, open your browser and head over to facebook.com. Log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're on the home page, look towards the top right corner of the screen and locate the messenger icon. It looks like a little speech bubble with a lightning bolt inside. Click on it. Next, a drop-down menu will appear. At the top of this menu, you'll see a three-dot icon. This is the settings menu for Messenger. Click on those three dots and a new set of options will appear. From here, select Active Status. A pop-up window will open, giving you the option to manage your online visibility. To turn on your active status, simply toggle the switch to enable it. This ensures that your friends can see when you're online and available to chat. Finally, don't forget to click Save at the bottom of the pop-up window to apply your changes. And that's it. Your active status is now turned on, and your friends will know when you're online. If you ever want to turn it off or customize who can see your active status, you can follow these same steps and make adjustments as needed. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. See you next time.